Included in the hundreds of millions of dollars in school bond issues and mill levies that Albuquerque voters approved last month was $38 million, you might recall, for a West Side sports complex. Well, tonight a school board committee heard that the district is ready to move ahead with that, but not where they plan to build it. News 13's Jim Winchester is in the Newsplex with more.
And Dick, APS decided tonight to move ahead on the $38 million complex. They just don't know where it will be located yet. Now, this is the final design of the sports complex. It includes a football stadium and fields for several other sports. APS estimates they'll need 75 acres to do it right. But now, the site where they originally planned to build it along Paseo de Volcan, north of I-40, is not available.
You know, we're having issues with SunCal and really securing the property that we wanted at Paseo del Volcan and the interstate. And so what we're doing is we're having to look other places.
The school board capital outlay committee heard tonight that there are several other possibilities, but a piece of land already owned by the district near Atrisco Academy High on the southwest mesa appears to be at the top of the list.
We need the stadium to be built quickly. And so the bottom line is, in the next 2 weeks, we'll have a decision on where we're going to build that stadium, and then we'll start construction fairly quick after that.
Now, APS hopes to break ground later this month and have the sports complex built by the fall of 2011, just in time for football season. Dick, back to you.
All right, Jim, the Capital Outlay Committee wants to vote on the site at its next meeting, which is just in 2 weeks.